In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Google Meet from Gmail. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of setting up a virtual meeting quickly and efficiently using your Gmail account. First, open your Gmail account. In the left-hand sidebar, you will find several options. One of them is labeled Meet. Click on this button. This will direct you to the Google Meet section within Gmail where you can handle all your video conferencing needs without leaving your inbox. Once you are in the Meet section, you will see an option that says New Meeting. Click on this option. By doing so, you're initiating the process of setting up your call. A few options will unfold. Select the one that best suits your needs. This might include creating a meeting for later, starting an instant meeting, or scheduling a meeting in your calendar. For simplicity and immediacy, let's proceed with initiating a new meeting directly. After clicking New Meeting, you will be presented with various options, one of which is Send Invite. Clicking here will trigger the next step in informing your participants about the call. Appropriately communicating the invitations is crucial so that your intended participants can join promptly. The next step is to share your meeting link. Look for the option that says Share via email. Clicking this button will direct you to a fresh tab or window where you can manage your email invitations. At this point, you'll find yourself in a familiar setting, a new email draft window. In this view, you will type the email addresses of the individuals you wish to invite to your meeting. Make sure to double check those email addresses to ensure they're correct to prevent any missed invitations. Once you've entered all the necessary recipients, it's time to send the invites. You will see a Send button, much like any other time you send an email from Gmail. Click on it. This will dispatch an email to each of the addresses you have entered containing all the necessary information for joining your Google Meet, including the date and time if specified, and a link to the video call itself. Remember, scheduling meetings on platforms like Google Meet through Gmail simplifies the process and keeps your interactions professional and organized. Whether it's for business or personal use, these steps ensure that setting up a meeting is seamless and straightforward. Always check your sent folder to confirm that your invites were successfully sent out, and be prepared for your meeting by joining a few minutes early to address any technical issues that might arise. I hope this tutorial makes scheduling your next meeting a breeze. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.